Sending an email is easy. Simply follow this step-by-step guide to send an email. So let's get started. Firstly, open your email account. Here I am choosing the Gmail. You can also go to the Outlook or Yahoo Mail as well. So now tap on the open and make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. Now once you are inside the Gmail account, you can see Compose option available there at the bottom right corner of your screen with the pen icon. Simply tap on the Compose to write down a new email. Now type the recipient's email in the to field, and you can send to multiple people by separating emails with commas as well. Then write a short subject that explains your email, like example meeting update for Friday or something like that. Then write your message. Simply write down, "Hi, I hope you are doing well. Here's the update on our meeting for Friday." And after you have done everything, you can also click on the paper link icon to add attachments like documents or images if you want to. And after your email is done, simply tap on the send option available there and your email will be successfully sent. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.